Alright gang, this is a little demo video of Amazing Grace, so I'm going to get right to it. I'm going to play the last four bars as an intro. I kind of like a little 1-4-1 progression at the end, which I'll talk about later. It's not on the page, but if you want to try it. As I played it, I'm like, you know, that would be a nice little addition. So here we are. I'm capoed at the 3rd fret. You don't have to do that, but it's better for my singing voice. So from the last four bars as an intro. I once was lost, but now am found. Was blind, but now I see. All right, that's all I expect you to do. So just a little walkthrough. Let me take it from the top of the verse, not the intro, because we'll actually cover that as the last four bars. So you're looking to play the bass note on beat 1 of each chord, and then down, up, down, up. If you miss a bass note here or there, I'm not that worried about it, but this is what we're aiming for. I'll tell you what strings. Let me put my guitar so you can see it. All right, from the top, we're aiming for the A string. Tell you what, let me do this without a capo, because I know many of you probably won't be doing with a capo. Get rid of this thing here. This one's made to push back here behind the nut. Okay, so A. So we're playing 5th string, 4th string, D chord 4th string, back to 5th string on A. That's the first 4 bars. The second 4 bars, 5th string, 5th string, 4th string, 6th string, 5th string. Then the next 4 bars, 10 through 13, are the same as the first 4 bars. So we've got A with the 5th string in the bass, A7 with the 4th string E in the bass, D, of course, the 4th string, 5th string. Then the last 4 bars, which could also be the intro, are A, 5th string, 6th string, and back to A. Now there's the part that's not on the screen, or I'm sorry, not on the screen, not on the page, which by the way I'm looking at right here. I don't know if you can see that. But right here I'm going bass note, A, D, back to A. Just a little plagal cadence, a little churchy cadence, a little amen, right? Amen. So that's a nice way to end it. If you want to throw that in, you can. It's up to you. And you don't need to do more than one verse. That's perfect. So try to do just what I did. Do the intro, the last 4 bars, and then do 1 time through the verse and just end it. And that's all you need to do. I would like to hear the bass notes ring out nice and clear, even if you miss one and you otherwise have a perfect take. Because that's kind of what this is about, is developing your right hand to try to find those bass notes. And I know some of you are going to still be working on that. One last thing. The reason I wasn't there yesterday was because my dog got sick right as I was ready to leave the house, and I couldn't just leave him alone barfing. So, Sammy, come here. You want to see Sammy Davis Jr.? Come here, Sam. This is why you missed class. Come here. He's fine now. Come here. Give me a hug. Sammy loves hugs. You can give me a hug? You're not going to give me a hug in front of the people? Come on. Hugs. There we go. There we go. So that's why I missed class, and I'm sorry, but I could not leave him alone yesterday morning. So I'll see you guys on Monday. Remember to turn this in by midnight on Sunday night. I know it's not a lot of time if you're a little confused about the assignment, but just do your best. It's really not that hard. We know all the chords. I'm sure you know the song Capo, where it's best for your voice or not. And that's all. Okay? Thanks. If you have any questions, feel free to let me know.